children. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. In our previous class, we learned living and non-living things and natural and man-made things. I have given homework. Once check your answers. Open your textbook. Practice zone 15. Mark right for living things and wrong for non-living things. A boy is a living thing, tick right. Hat is a non-living thing, cross out. And tree is a living thing, tick right. And bag is a non-living thing, tick the wrong mark. Car is a non-living thing, tick the wrong. And cats are living things, right? Okay. In this session, we are going to learn about living and non-living things. Okay. Open your workbook page number 9. Workbook page number 9. Coming to 7th bit. Given below are pictures of a dog and a child. A dog is a living, whereas a child is a non-living. Write down 2 lines about each of them in the space given below. Also mention the difference between them. Okay. Here given 2 things, a dog and a child. Write 2 difference between a dog and a child. First of all, dog. A dog is a living thing or non-living thing? A dog is a living thing. It can move, it can eat food, it can drink water. Okay. A child. A child is a non-living thing. It cannot move on its own, and it cannot eat food, and it cannot drink water. Write 2 lines about each. First of all, sharp your pencils. Dog. Everyone sharp your pencils and write neatly and carefully. Okay. Things which has life, things which have life, they are called living things. Here given dog. A dog has life, so dog is a living thing. Here given child. Child has life? No, it has no life. So it is a non-living thing. It is a living thing because a dog has life. A child has no life. So dog is a living thing. Child is a non-living thing. Dog can move its own. Okay, because it has life. It can move on its own. It cannot move on its own. These are the 2 differences between a dog and a child. Okay. First of all, coming to dog. Dog is a living thing. Very good. Dog is a living thing. Living. Living. Thing. Dog is a living thing. Okay, very good. Because why it is a living thing? It has life. It has life. Dog is a living thing. it has life. So it is a living thing. Completed. Next. Next one is child. Slowly. Say the answer. Child is a non-living thing. Why it is a non-living thing? Because it has no life. Dog has life, so dog is a living thing. Child has no life, so child is a non-living thing. Write neatly and carefully. Write correct spellings also. Child is a non-living thing. Second one. Take one finger distance. Middle letters close into blue lines between. Up letters write top of the line and down letters write bottom of the line. Write neatly and carefully. Child is a non-living thing. N-O-N, living. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. G down letter. Right bottom of the line. Child is a non-living thing. Why it is a non-living thing? Because it has no life. It has no life. IT, coming to second line. I2E, HA. Take one finger distance. Write neatly and carefully. It has no life. NO, no. LIFE, life. Understood everyone? What are the two differences between the child and a dog? A dog is a living thing. It has life. A child is a non-living thing because it has no life. It cannot eat food. It cannot drink water. It cannot move on its own. Dog can eat food. Dog can drink water. Dog can move on its own. Why? Because it has life. Because it has no life. So it is a living thing. It is a non-living thing. Understood everyone? Okay. Completed this? Shalera? Next here, differences. Dog and child. Dog can grow day by day. Dog can grow. Child can grow day by day. No, it cannot grow. Dog can eat food. Child can eat food. It cannot eat food. These two are differences between a dog and a child. Now we will write differences. Sharp your pencils once again. G dog. CAN GROW grow. Child can grow, child cannot grow. CHAIR child, CANNOT cannot grow. Child cannot grow. One difference is completed. Second one. Dog eats food. Dog eats food. Child can eat food? No, child cannot eat food. Child cannot eat food. These two are differences between a dog and a child. Dog can grow, dog eats food, and child cannot grow and child cannot eat food, because dog is a living thing, child is a non-living thing. So these two are also copy, make it fast. Completed. And once check your homework answers also once again. Choose the correct option. A mountain is a dash and a non-living thing. A mountain is a natural, man-made, living. Which one is the right option? Option A. Very good. Living things. Living things have feeling, do not grow, do not need shelter. Living things have feeling. Answer A is right answer. Check your answers, homework answers. In your previous class, EVS homework answers once check thoroughly. A dash is a living thing. Book, child, dog. Dog. Okay. Dash do not have babies. Living things, non-living things, both living and non-living things. Dash do not have babies. Living things have babies. Cat has kitten, dog has puppy, like that. So, a child has its babies? No. Non-living things do not have babies. Option B is right answer. Next, coming to fifth one. Non-living things do not grow, breathe. Non-living things cannot grow. So, here non-living things do not grow. Option A is right answer. Once check your options. First one, A, homework answers. B, second one, A, third one, C, fourth one, B, fifth one, A. The previous class homework answers once check thoroughly. Option first one A, second one A. Read these sentences and check your answers. Understood everyone? Check thoroughly. Shall I have this? Okay. Workbook page number 13. Water is a non-living thing but but it is very important for all living things. Show this by doing one of the following. Make a drawing showing anyone uses of water. Here, draw anyone. Homework. Workbook page number 13. Here given one. Make a drawing showing anyone uses of water. Anyone. Draw one flower pot like this and draw a plant. Okay. And here one can like this. Watering the plant. Like this, draw a watering the plant picture. First draw a flower pot and draw a plant and draw a one water can. Slowly. Triangle shape. Draw like this and leaves. Understood everyone? Today's CBS homework. Workbook page number 13. Make a drawing showing anyone uses of water. Your own pictures, anyone. And drinking water. Draw a one hand. And hold a glass and drinking water also. Okay? Cleaning the results. Anyone picture you have to draw here, but uses of water. This is today's EVS homework. Understood everyone? And once open your textbook also. Open your textbook page number 16. Find out living and non-living things in the classroom and list them under the correct column. Share the list of things with your friends. Ask your friends to read his or her list. Say bingo if your friends reads out of the name living thing and clap twice if he is she reads out of the names of a non-living things. When you are your friend reading a living things, clap. When you are your friend read non-living things, out of them. When your friends read living things, should clap them. Like that, complete this activity. Okay? Shall I rub this? Any two living things? Living things. Okay. Cat and dog, bird. These are living things. Living things have life. They can move. They have life. They can move. They have life. They can grow. And they can move. Okay. Next, say any two non-living things. Say the any two non-living things. Car, child, and table. Okay. These are non-living things. They have no life. They have no life. Very good. They cannot move on their own. They cannot eat food. They cannot drink water. Next, man-made things and natural things. Coming to natural things. Say the some natural things. What are natural things first of all? Things which are created by nature are called natural things. Things which are created by nature are natural things. Things which are created by nature are natural things. Okay. Say the some natural things. The sun, soil, and the earth. These are created by nature. These things are given by nature. The sun is given by nature, soil also given by nature, and the earth also given by nature. These things are not made by man, so these things are called natural things and man-made things. This book is made by man, so it is a man-made thing. This duster also made by a man, duster also man-made thing. Fan is made by man, fan also man-made things. Things which are made by a man are man-made things. Understood? Example: car, pen, etc. Okay. Natural things, things which are created by nature are natural things. The sun, soil, earth, water, air, and mountains, hills, plants, animals. Okay. Man-made things, things which are made by a man are man-made things. Examples: bed, chair, table, sofa, etc. Understood everyone? Things which have life, they are living things. Birds, animals, plants are living things. They can grow, they can eat food, they can move. Because they have life. Things which have no life, they are non-living things. Non-living things cannot move on their own, cannot eat food, cannot grow. Example: child, table, and sofa, book. Okay. Everyone open your EVS textbook and thoroughly read lesson. Lesson read. non-living things. Look at the picture below. You can see different things such as a boy, soil, mountains, tree, animals and a bird. A. Mountain, bird, deer, rabbit, soil, boy, fish. Animals, trees, birds, boy and a fish are living things. Bird, tree, boy, fish, deer, rabbit, these are living things. Let us find out why. Look at each of the pictures given below. These are some of the activities that living things can do. Living things move on their own. Living things breathe. Living things eat food. Living things produce babies. Living things grow. Living things produce babies. Living things can grow. Living things can eat food. Living things can drink water. And living things breathe. Living things also have feelings. Human or living beings. We laugh when we are happy. We cry when we are sad or in pain. On the page. Now we know the things that grow, move, eat and react are called living things. Things which have grow, move, eat and react are called living things. Animals can eat food, animals can grow, animals can move, animals can react. So animals are living things. And birds can grow, birds can move, birds can eat food and birds are react. So they are living things. Insects also same. Insects also eat food, drink water, they can move, they can grow, they can react. So insects also living things. A plant cannot laugh, but it can feel. Plant cannot laugh, but it can feel. Have you ever tried to touch the leaves of a touch-me-not plant? If you touch its leaves, they hold inwards like this. When we are touching the touch-me-not plant leaves, the leaves hold inwards like this. Okay? Just like human beings and animals, plants also grow. These are living things. Living things features are living things eat food, drink water, they can grow, they can move, they can react because they have life. These are non-living things. Look at the pictures and all learn about the non-living things. Car, hat, cup, bat. Do the objects in the pictures breathe? No, they do not. Do these objects eat food? No, they do not. They do not move by themselves. They do not grow. They do not have babies. Non-living things do not have feelings. They do not feel anything if we touch them. Things that do not grow, move, react and are not alive are called non-living things. Things do not have grow, do not eat food, do not react. They are non-living things because they have no life. Example: soil, rocks, air, water, toys are etc. non-living things. Understood everyone? Today's EVS homework. Complete the page number 13. Make a drawing showing any one uses of water. Understood everyone?